The function f of x is equal to 5 cotangent t of x, cotangent x, excuse me. So there is no phase shift. There's nothing added or subtracted on, so there's no phase shift. Now, speaking of the stretching factor, it is going to be stretched vertically by a factor of 5. And that's actually what this value right here is telling you. Okay, so because it's greater than 1, it will be stretched vertically by a factor, and in this case, the value is 5. Okay, now when you graph a cotangent function, okay, so what we're looking at